My name is Barbara, and I've been a patient of the Ayurvedic clinic for, I think, a little over 10 years now. I'm presently completing my third Panchakarma treatment here at the clinic, and when I first came, actually each of the 3 times that I've been here for that treatment has been for chronic fatigue. In addition, I've had typically a problem with migraines that recurs. And this current episode that I've experienced has also involved a great deal of focus, a lack of focus at work, and inability to do my job, again with migraines, and really a very deep level of exhaustion, which I understand is primarily to my adrenal system, which is part, I guess, of the chronic fatigue problem. The reason that I've really valued being treated here at the clinic is that I know that I'm being treated as an individual, not a generic patient who simply has the same symptoms that are manifested by some other patients, but as an individual who has a certain specific constitutional type and who needs to be aware of diet that's important to them in their particular constitutional type, exercise, just everything personalized to who I am as a person and as a patient. And I felt very cared for in that way. Now that I've had, I think, 10 of the massage and sauna treatments, I am pretty much back to my what I would consider optimal energy level. My mental state is very good. Optimistic, looking forward to the next step in my life, and my migraines have completely gone away. So I'm again feel very blessed that I discovered the clinic. I truly don't know how I would have dealt with the chronic fatigue problems if I didn't have an Ayurvedic approach to take me through a true path of healing. And I feel that's exactly what I receive here at the clinic, is a very caring and healing and loving experience, and it's meant a great deal to me.
My name is Francesco Marshall, and I'm a patient of Dr. Virender Sodhi. And I came to see Dr. Sodhi because I had been experiencing exhaustion, wasn't sleeping, and I gained a lot of weight. And I just felt it was the next step, because I had tried so many other things to see if we could just get on top of what was going on. And Dr. Sodhi worked with me, introduced a regimen of minerals and herbs, and also put me into the process called Panchakarma, which was actually transformative. The change in my diet, the herbs and the minerals, and the process of the twice weekly Panchakarma seemed to actually visually, if you had a before picture, you could see the difference. It has changed me radically. I'm eating healthy. I feel younger, even though I'm not, and just have a different way of moving through life, thanks to the work done here with Dr. Sodhi and his associates.
Hi, my name is Jennifer. I live in Iowa, and I came here to Seattle to the Ayurvedic and Naturopathic Clinic because I was feeling tired, fatigued. I just didn't have much energy in my body, and I was feeling cloudy in my thinking. So, and also blood test results showed that the liver had some abnormally high measurements. So after 3 weeks of daily Panchakarma with oils and herbs, and following Dr. Sodhi's diet recommendations and taking his herbs, as well as adding some ozone therapy and vitamin C IV, now the blood test results show that the liver is back to normal. It looks very good, and that's actually a very quick recovery time. And I feel much better. I'm much happier. I'm more energetic. My thinking is clear. And I'm very impressed with the Panchakarma here. The technicians are excellent. and naturally friendly. And I'm amazed by Dr. Virender Sodhi. He combines the best of Western and Eastern medicine. He's trained as an MD in Ayurveda in India and as a naturopathic physician here in the US. And I feel like he's a complete physician, and like I have found both a physician and a holistic method of treatment that I can use for the rest of my life, and combined with Western diagnostic methods, I really can't imagine any better combination. And I would highly recommend Dr. Sodhi and the Ayurvedic and Naturopathic Clinic.
Hi, I'm Ron Sepielli. I've been coming to the Ayurvedic Naturopathic Clinic for about 5 years. I started coming here, there were a number of things going on. I was just entering my 50s and life was just feeling a little bit, I was tired, I was stressed, I was depressed. Life just felt a little too complicated. I also had diabetes. So there were a number of things that just kept me from feeling more alive, more energized, more engaged in life the way that I had become accustomed to. I started seeing primarily Dr. Virender Sodhi, but I've also gone a fair amount to Dr. Shalander and Anju Sodhi as well. And I always feel that I'm in good care. I'm in really good hands with everybody here. They take such good care of me. I think the thing that surprised me most, that I was so delighted about, was that my prescriptions every time I come, and right from the very beginning amounted to diet, just eating well, eating in a way that allows my body to do for itself what it knows how to do if I just get out of the way and support it. So diet, exercise, yoga, herbs, and the Punch Karma program. I know people started commenting and telling me that I looked 5 to 10 years younger and was so much more alive and energized after the Punch Karma program. So I've been coming here regularly and I'm just absolutely delighted. They are all warm-hearted, good souls, just absolutely beautiful people. I trust them implicitly with my life, and I feel as though my life is a lot more interesting and satisfying now because I'm coming here.
Hi, I'm Cesare. I heard very good things about Ayurvedic clinic here in Bellevue and Dr. Sodhi and his staff, and I decided to try it because I had problems with my joints. I had swollen joints and pain at knees and most of the joints actually, and also headaches, migraines. It was hard for me to sleep also. So I signed up for Punch Karma program and tried to follow as much as I could, and after a month most of the pain pretty much is gone, and the headaches as well. I feel so much better also in general, and at the same time I lost 40 pounds, which is very surprising for me because I didn't intend on that. So I strongly recommend anyone to at least give it a try and follow at least for a month doctor's prescription and see how that works for you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lisa, and I originally came to the Ayurvedic clinic and asked for Punch Karma because I had symptoms of IBS and then just was really tired and fatigued from a heavy, stressful work schedule. And I went through the full treatment, and what I found was I was less tired, less fatigued, and also through more diet changes as well, my symptoms of IBS totally went away. So I full-heartedly can and have recommended the Punch Karma treatment to my friends.
My name is Diane Iverson, and I have been coming to Dr. Sodhi and his associates for many years. One of the best things I have done here is Punch Karma. Before I came this most recent time, this is my third time, I was feeling heavy in my body, light, fuzzy-headed, and a little dizzy, and just an overall heaviness. And after Punch Karma, I felt light in my body, my vision was clear, I felt so much energy, and I love the girls in there. They're amazing. Panchakarma's the best, and I highly recommend it for anybody, at least once a year.